Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hourly beep, so the hourly chime on your Casio G-Shock GA-140, the 5612 module. This is going to work for all Casio G-Shock watches that feature the same module. So guys, when you look at these digital displays, you can actually see that the SIG, so the hourly beep, is now on. So we need to turn it off in order for your watch not to use that hourly chime every full hour. So what you want to do is to press in your home city. So when you see this day of the week, we are going to press the mode button. We are going to go past the stopwatch, past the timer, past the world time, and we are going to arrive at the alarm function. As you can see here, we have the SIG. And when you see the SIG, you can press the adjust button in order to turn it off, and you can see that that small digital display has now gone full black. In case you do not have the SIG in your first alarm, you are going to use the forward button in order to toggle between alarm 1, alarm 2, 3, 4, also the snooze, and the last one is going to be the SIG. And this is where you want to press the adjust button, and you now know that the SIG is off. I also have a full guide with how to turn on and off the alarm, how to set them, and how to use all the functions and features of this Casio G-Shock watch model. So make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. Once you have finished that, you want to press the mode button once again in order to arrive at the home screen. As you can see, everything is black, so that means that all the functions are now deactivated. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. Make sure to be subscribed, like this video, it really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.